Hello friends, this is our part 6 in study table which name is drawer. So we have already made that part all 5. So this is our last part. So it looks like this and we want to make like this. So for that we are coming in screen and firstly we have to choose a top line. Yes, it is easy for in the top line, so that's why I choose it. Now we know that which things we should do. After take the rectangle and apply dimensions to it for confirmation. Yes, 450. Yes. Now for confirmation we are going on smart dimension again. Okay. Yes. And apply the dimensions to fix it. Now it is fixed. So after that we are going on what? We are going on sheet metal to apply base flange. Yes. After we go and click OK. So it has created 1 mm thickness. Now we want to make edge. So for that we have to select these 3 edges. Why we have here choose 3 edges? Because we are making drawers. So that things we have to consider here. Yes. Okay. So now apply the length. Okay, 110. Yes. Okay it. Now after we have to again choose that edge flange and we have to give that edges on that edges. Yes. Okay, apply the dimensions and fix it. Yes, 10 mm is required. Yeah. Okay, choose one at a time flanges and also apply on this, because we are making drawers and if any human is interact with this, so that sharp edges will harmful for him. So for that we are, as a real designer, so we are going to apply this angle so it will be beneficial for any humans. This is one type of ergonomics. Yes. Now we have to make one its main front surface. So for that I choosing again flange and choose that sides, the edges, and okay, apply here up to 125. Okay, again edge flanges on that, give dimensions and okay. You can choose different things, how to apply corner, how to bending, but we are not going to do this because we know in which things which we think we are using. So here we also, as a real designer, applying angle to this, so that is also beneficial for our consumers. Okay. Yes. Now we have to create its handle. Yes. So before that we are going to make it sliding, because this drawer is sliding pair to that casing. So for that firstly we are going to make it sliding. Okay, so for that I have chosen line command and make it starting to draw. Yes, I have given the dimensions. Okay, now what we are going to do? Okay, apply dimension and fix it. Yes. Now yes. Okay, takes little bit time. I know that. Yeah, it is also for mm. Here all dimensions are in mm, which is shown in the bottom side, in right hand bottom side of the screen. Okay. Yeah. Now here is also applied 8 mm. Smart dimensions. So now we want to make one surface is on this, so here we are directly going to offset these lines and make it its extrude. So for that we are going on offset entities. All these parts I am using different things, so you can learn with that. Yeah, so here I make it, and here I don't use again line, I going on cap ends. Yes, choose lines. This all things I have given in my Solidworks sketch 1 introduction, so you can go with it. Okay, now I have to go with extrude and apply it here. Yes, and okay, reverse the direction of it. Yes, and up to 500 thread, which is right. Okay, it takes little bit time loading. Yes, so it is created here, you can see here. So now we want to make again in the right side, so for that we are going to mirror it by using plane. So for that plane we are going to make it in center by choosing the both side of this. So this plane is created in the center of this. Yes, and after we are going to in mirror plane, in which we are going to select this. Yes, and okay, so here something is wrong. Yeah, we have to go with these bodies. I think we have to close that merge solids. So for that, yes, closed it and select it. Yeah, now you can see here it is created. Yes, this is the enjoying sound, that's why. Okay, so it is created right now, and our video is nearly to end it. Yeah, it takes some time because okay, so it is created. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to make its handle, but before that hide that plane. Yes, in the designing, if you don't need that, so please hide or suppress that. So that is the useful things, so that will beneficial in your future. Yes, okay, so again I take one plane from the bottom surface up to 60 mm, and in which I am going to create line, and after that I am applying sweep command and make it handle, as you know, because we have already made like that indoor. Okay, if you don't see that video, so firstly go with it and make it. So after all, you can going to make whole assembly of this. Yes, so choosing this one. Okay, so after select the plane and make this surface. Yes, so we have to select this plane and going with it. So yes, go with it. Yeah, make a corner line to making handle. Okay, we know all the procedures here. Okay, after we give the dimension, don't bother about it right now. Okay, from side surface it should be 100. Yes, yeah, from right side also. Okay, so it should be also 100. Yeah, but it now this line is not connect with this surface, so for that what we are going to do? Yes, touch to it. Yeah, now this surface is too much ahead of that line, so it will be not moving because it is already touched to another surface. So for that we have to delete it. Another we don't have any way. Okay, so yes, we just delete it and make it again. It nearly takes some seconds. Yes. So like this type of things in which you are going to spend too much time, so delete it and after make it again. Yes, that's the thing you should apply in this designing field. But that's not mean that you not to solve it. You have to solve, find its solution. Okay, here I find its solution and make it up to that surfaces. And again this handle is too much big, so for that I need to small it. So for that I am again applying dimension to this. Yes, I clicked on it. Takes some time, I think. Yes, 108. Also from another side. Okay, so after clicking this, we want to apply here fillet also, to apply it between them. Yes, yeah, so right now we have created that entities. Here in the sweep, if I use sweep, so we need another entities. But if you going on circular sweep, so there is no need. But right now I created here another sweep entity. So for that I choosing this plan and make it one circle here on that point. Okay, so I choose it and yeah, I created it. Yes. After making this one, I am going to close this and apply sweep command. So go on sweep, choose the surface. Now look, it takes time. Okay, there is one error here, operation failed due to geometric condition. So for that we have to go on merge tangent faces. It will not apply, I think. Let's try it. It takes time. Yes, and yeah, still. So for that we are going on. Yes, merge the result. I think I should close it. So for that, yes, now apply that things. Yes, it is created, I think. Yeah. Okay, so right now it is created. You can see here it is too much smooth curve. Yeah, so after making this one, I want to hide that plane. Okay, so hide it and save it. Yes, this is our part 6. So we apply name here, drawer. If you don't see that another 5, so go on my playlist and see it and make it this assembly. Yes. Okay, so one thing is remaining here, edit material, so go for it. Click on material which is not specified, so okay, edit material on it. Here not what required part material given, so go for that. Open it. Yes, it is open. Now select this 304 ASI. Still, yeah, we know it's all property. Yeah, it is not specified yet. Okay, so I think it takes time to apply on this. Okay, it is loading. Yeah, now look, it is applied on this and it looks wonderful. If you want to change its handle appearance, so you can also go with it. Edit appearance. Yes, and apply whatever you want. Also another material, coating material. Okay, yes. So I here applied black color because I have given black. Okay, but as per you want, you can go with it. Okay, so if you like this video, so
hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.